To start or stop AllJoyn router service in Windows 11 Home, right click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management, and then click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, select Services, and then right click on AllJoyn router service, uh, select Start to Start or select Stop to Stop. Routers routes all joins messages for the local all join clients. If this service is stopped, the all join clients that do not have their own standard routers will be unable to run. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.